Hey all, this is going to be an unboxing video of the Canyon Grizl aluminum version with a Rudy suspension box. I got this box, this bicycle from Canyon at a cost of $1,600 US. It was on sale. I think the usual price is about $2,000 if I'm not mistaken. So this I already opened the box, as you can see. Just wanted to see what's inside, so I can figure out how to record this video. But this is what it comes in. Pretty well packaged bicycle, I would say. Well, I want to say this is not my first bicycle. I have a specialized Tarmac SL7 road bike, and I thought I would just make a switch to gravel cycling. And the main intention here was to use this bicycle as a primary, like, travel bike parking bicycle. So I'm going to be traveling with this all over the world, Europe and all over the world, just for biking adventures and what have you. So that's the reason why I got this bicycle. I'll make a couple changes here. It comes, I think, with a Shimano GRX system, but I'll get everything out and get the bike on a stand, and then we'll take a look at all these other things. So in the box, it's pretty simple, really. There's not much going on in here. Saddle, I'll pull that out, throw it to the side. Comes in this tiny thing here. Throw it here. And this is the front wheel with the disc brakes. Comes with Schwalbe tires here. I think they're 45mm tires, if I'm not mistaken. DT Swiss rims, everything DT Swiss. Looks pretty good, I would say. Never owned a gravel bicycle, so this is a first for me. There's a lot of things that I don't know. Enjoy the ride. That's pretty cool. Yeah, there's a lot of things I don't know about gravel cycling, but we'll learn as we go. This is an empty box. I don't really know what's supposed to be here. I understand there's some parts shortages, so there are probably some parts that are either missing or, different from what they originally intended to put on this bike. So that's why I think they're selling them at a cheap price at the moment. But yeah, this box came empty. There's nothing in here. Let's see what else is in here. Looks like there's a toolbox sitting down here. I'll pull this one out too, but we'll go over the contents of all these things here in a little bit. So I pull out the bike a little bit. I'll put it on a stand here in a short while. It's quite chunky. It's a heavy bike, I would say. So they've listed it as 11 kilos. Looks like it's around 12 or 13 kilos thereabout. It's quite heavy. So this is what the bike looks like out of the box. That's the Rudy suspension shock rather, by I think Rockshox. Yeah, Rockshox. Through axle. Pretty clean actually. This not a bad color, not my favorite, but hey, it's a bike. I don't think anyone really cares. Nice handlebar, I would say. Very solid build. Nice welds as well. I've never owned an aluminium bicycle, so this is a first for me. Looks pretty good, I would say. So let me get everything on a bike stand here, and then I'll go over what comes in the boxes and put the bike together. Cool. Okay, so I have the bike on a stand right now. Those are my pedals. But this is what it looks like. Like I say, Shimano GRX. I'll switch it out for a SRAM system. I have I have some SRAM rival components from my other road bike that I'm intending to use on this one. So all the stuff, I'm switching it out, all of it, the whole drive train. I'm probably a little bit biased towards SRAM products. I've used them since I started cycling, and I don't feel like changing to Shimano. But so this is what the bike looks like. Really, pretty neat, I would say. Tires look good, already inflated. Um, some pedals included. Handlebar looks good, like I said. That's the front tire. Seat post and the seat. So this is the box that comes with all the instruction manuals. Let's see. Comes in a couple of languages, a few languages rather. This is the toolbox. There's some paste, assembly paste here for the seat post and the handlebar. This is the tool that you're probably gonna need for most of the assembly work. Has some torque values. It's also a torque wrench or torque, it has all the torque numbers there. I'm not sure what that is. It's nothing in there. Looks like there's a bag here, Canyon branded bag. Some pedals which I will not use at all. What the hell is this? Okay, I don't know what that is. Looks like there's another bug here, so yeah, pretty simple and neat. So I'll start putting the bike together slowly. I am not an expert, so if there's anything that I do that is not correct, bear with me and don't really follow anything that I'm doing, because I am not an expert. I have to repeat that again. I'm just following instructions and putting it together, and I'm just gonna jump on it and start riding. So if you feel like you need any help, just take the bike to any bike shop near your place and have it assembled there, just so that you make sure that everything is done correctly. But as the bike as it is from the box, it looks like it's ready to go. Like as soon as everything is bolted on properly, you're good to go. So I'm gonna try to do like a time-lapse video of the assembly. All right, ladies and gentlemen, this is the assembled bicycle from Canyon. Left a big mess there. Initial impressions: the bike looks decent, good rather. Um, I've got to say that the shocks here are quite awkward, to be honest. They look really awkward to me, but I'm excited to try it out and see what it feels. It looks like it's a comfy bicycle just by looking at it. The usual gravel handlebar flaring, which I always find funny, but yeah, this is new territory to me, but I'm excited to try it out. I'm very new to the Shimano system, so it took me a minute to get used to. I struggled with the pedals. Please keep in mind that the bike does not come with the SPD pedals. This is my own pedals. Those are the factory pedals right there. What else? I took out everything factory. Please just make sure you comply with the regulations in your country. I took out all my reflectors and everything. That came from the factory. So yeah, this is what the bike looks like. If you guys are interested in seeing the upgrades that I'm going to make on this bike, please comment and like the video. Let me know. If you have any questions, let me know. I have had a lot of complaints about this saddle, so I'll definitely be switching this out with a specialized mirror saddle. This is mighty uncomfortable from what I've had from a lot of people, so this is the first thing to go out, and then I'll follow with the brakes and switch the whole system to this RAM rival axis system with wireless shifting. So yeah, do you like the bicycle? And by the way, this is a size medium bicycle. I am 6 feet and 2 inches tall, so this is the recommended size. So it looks pretty good. Doesn't look as awkward. Haven't tried it out, but it looks similar size to my road bike that I currently use right now, or maybe just slightly bigger. I ride a 56 centimeter size road bike. Specialized road bike, and yeah, almost the same thing. So yeah, looks pretty good. So we'll see what it looks like with all the upgrades. So what do you guys think? Let me know in the comments if you have questions. Please don't hesitate to drop them down in the comment section. I will try to answer them as much as I can. Thank you for your time, and have a lovely day, evening, night, or whatever it is in your location. Thank you.